Today we're going to discuss about what to pack when you're coming to UK. I've divided this into 5 main things: clothes, beddings, kitchen, electronics and medical. So let's start. Electronics. This is interesting and important. Carry a UK power adapter. I am giving you a link of Amazon. This is the one I bought for myself. I got about 5 of them because I had a lot of devices. In your case, you can choose as per the number of devices you are planning to carry. But do not forget to carry a UK power adapter with you. Second thing in electronics is laptop. Since you're coming here as a student, laptop is very important. If you have one, carry it. It will work with your UK power adapter. If not, it may be a good idea to buy it from here. There's a shop, a big electronic shop called Curry's. I'm giving you a link to that shop as well in the description box. You can take a look at the range. It's a very big shop. And it will be a good idea to buy it from this place because when we come in after that, there are a lot of sale periods. There is Boxing Day, there is Christmas sale, there is Black Friday. So you do get a lot of good deals, and this is apart from the student discount that you get. I will tell you more about student discounts as well, but then you'll have to wait for the coming videos. For now, I'm giving you a link of Curry's. Go through it, and maybe if you're buying a new one, you can buy from this place. Next on the list is kitchen. Let's start with utensils. Pressure cooker, chakla belin for your rotis, kadhai if you want a small one. Usually here there are more of pans. And if you're coming, like if it's just you or one or two of you, like you're a couple, you would prefer a smaller one. The smaller ones are not very easily available, so you might want to get yourself a kadhai. Steel and aluminium is not very common here, so for the cooking and all, you might want to bring one aluminium kadhai with you because you cannot find it easily, and it's very expensive as well. Steel is very expensive here. So rest, we are done with cooker, chakla belin, pans, kadhai. And do not get a storage box. Yes, the plastic storage boxes are very easily available. They are very cheap. So again, when I'll take you for a tour of other stores like the Indian one, I'll show you. So you don't need to carry any storage boxes for yourself. You'll get it here. And again, you can get some steel glasses, plates if you're fond of steel because as I said, it's very expensive and not easily available. What all I'm suggesting is as per my experience. You might get a lot of things here. One, they're not easy to find. Two, they are very expensive. You'll feel that it's not worth it. It's better that you should get it packed and get from your home country. Rest, I'm not saying that they are not at all available. If you'll go and find them, you will get them surely. Now, second part of the kitchen is food. As we've already seen the Indian store here, and even the other stores have an Asian section. There's nothing that is not available here. I'll suggest that initially, if you want, you can pack yourself few pulses of 250 grams packet. If you're coming to an Airbnb, the salt and sugar and tea, all of that will be there, so you need not carry that. You can carry spices, however, because we have our own peculiar taste for the spices and they do not take much space. So if you want to carry your spices, I won't blame you for that. You can do that. Ghee is not so ghee like Patanjali, Amul and all, they're not very common here in Dundee. You usually have to get them from Edinburgh or Amazon. But having said that, you're not allowed to carry milk or milk products in your luggage, so we can't really help that one. Last thing on the section is medical. If you have an ongoing prescriptions or your ongoing medicines that you take on a regular basis, I'll suggest that you bring them in for 2 months or so, because you will not get any medicine on Indian or your home country's prescription. You need a prescription from UK to get your medicines. That will take a while for you because you have to register with a GP and then the process follows. I will take you through that process as well in coming videos, but for now, carry your prescribed medicine for 2 months at least, and thereafter you can get them from here. I will also share a link of NHS in the description box. That's the link from where you'll get to know what all you are entitled to, when you can walk into a pharmacist, when is that you have to contact a doctor regarding flu, fever, hay fever. Everything is mentioned there. It's a very useful link. Do go through it. It's going to help you a lot. Yes, and the second thing now is all those over-the-counter medicines that we say, like for your fever or stomachache or your cough and cold. Carry a bit of them for your initial settlement, but going forward, these are all available very easily. Even at pharmacy, you can walk in and get a cough syrup for yourself without any cost. As I said, there's a link in the description box, and you can go through it. You'll get to know what all you can get from the pharmacy. So there is no need to carry a lot of medicines. Get yourself tested for vitamin D. In fact, overall body checkup. Sun in winters here, even for the September intake, that it's going to be like winter time, so sun is very less. And since we are used to we're from the country India, specifically me, I'm from India, and sun is not much of a problem there, but here it is, and we tend to drop our vitamin D levels. So do get yourself tested. If in case you already are deficient, get a prescribed vitamin D for yourself. If you're not, you can ask your doctor for initial time that what dosage you can take. Get yourself something, and then slowly you can discover whatever suits you here as well. You do get vitamin D medicine here as well, but then initially get yourself tested and see what you can get for yourself from your home country. Okay, so I think I've covered it all, and I guess all the categories are done. Just in case you think there is something which is still left and it's not answered, you want to know something, do put in the comment box. I will suggest that instead of mails, thank you for sending so many mails, and I'm trying to revert to all of them, but I'll suggest instead of sending a mail, if you send a query here in comment box, it will be helpful for others also to see, and they'll get some answers. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and press the bell icon so that you know when my new video is out and you don't miss on any information. This is a very crucial time for you. You're planning to come here, you're packing your bags, or you're applying for your universities for January intake. So I try and put in important information for you. So subscribe, press the bell icon, and don't miss any information. See you soon. Bye bye.